Hi, everyone. Paige Panzarello here, the Cash Flow Chick. And I've gotten some questions about what is right party contact. Um, if you come into the note space, you very likely are going to be hearing that term, right party contact. And you're going to work with servicing companies. Now, servicing companies, I've done another video on that. What is that? They're basically licensed debt collectors that work on your behalf. So you don't have to have contact with your borrower. And again, I strongly urge you as a note investor, don't self-service your loans. Again, I did a video about that as well. So be sure to check that out. Why? But I use licensed debt collectors, also known as servicing companies, and they have to make sure in their communications with your borrower that they have right party contact. So what they will do is they will call the borrower on your behalf and they will issue what's called a mini Miranda. It basically says, I'm a licensed debt collector. I'm calling on behalf of your lender. Is this Paige Panzarello? And I'm going to respond to that. They need to establish that they are speaking to the right person. Not only are they going to ask my name, but they're also probably going to ask us security questions. They're going to verify what the last four of the social is. They're going to ask a different type of question that establishes the identity of the person with whom they're communicating. Why is that important? It's important because your borrower has a right to privacy. Okay, even though mortgages and trust deeds are recorded in the county recorder's office, the licensed debt collector has to establish that they're speaking to the right person because your borrower has a right to privacy. Decisions can only be made by those that are attached to the loan. So sometimes you're going to have a husband and wife situation, and the husband answers the phone when the servicing company calls, and he is not on the loan. It's just the wife that's on the loan. Okay. So the husband answers the phone and he says, well, we can talk because I'm her husband. The licensed debt collector is going to say, I'm sorry, sir, because you are not on the loan, I cannot speak with you unless I have a letter of authorization from your wife saying it's okay that I speak with you, because that wife has the right to privacy. Okay. So it's very important that the servicing company establish right party contact with whoever owes the money. Okay, now if the husband and wife are both on the loan and the husband answers the phone, then that's fine. The servicing company then can establish right party contact to make sure that he is the correct person that's on the loan, and then they can discuss whatever the business is at hand. Okay. But that mini Miranda happens every communication, and they need to be sure that they are talking to the right person, okay? Because they are allowed the right to privacy. So if you are self-servicing your loan, again, I hope you are not, but you need to make sure that if you are, that when you call your borrower, that you are establishing right party contact, because if not, that could put you in a heap of trouble. Okay, so be careful. That's why I say, again, if you're self-servicing, you might want to check out my video about why not to self-service your loans and to hire a licensed debt collector to do that. But right party contact is the first and foremost thing that anytime that servicing company calls your borrower on your behalf, they make sure to establish right party contact, that they are talking to the right person so as not to breach that right to privacy. I hope you find that video helpful. If you're interested, again, I talk about all this stuff in my workshop. So go to buildingwealthwithnotes.com. It is on demand, so you can do it at your own pace. It's online. There's modules and a workbook and all kinds of tools that I give you, plus a lot of bonuses. So if you're interested, check that out. buildingwealthwithnotes.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye.